one corner to the windowsill. So you need to go less than that.
So I need to get a 36-inch shelf.
If they have 36-inch shelves, and then maybe 12 inch.
No bigger than 13.
Mm-mm.
Goes with 12 and 10.
12. 2-inch difference. Maybe a 10.
You get the one that's got the white vertical racks that have the metal things you can adjust. Same.
It's
You
kind
can
of
just
tacky if it's not easier.